should you wait to join the REI 90? In the great words of the Wizard of Oz, there's no better time than the present. Look, why would you wait for greatness? Why would you wait for financial freedom? Why would you wait to learn the one thing that you feel is going to give you an edge in life financially? Now, here's why you don't want to wait, or why you shouldn't wait. Everything inside the REI 90 Academy is going to get you to the point of preparation anyway. See, the REI 90 content and information and portal and concepts and training is not solely just on X's and O's of real estate. We go over everything from mindset, we go in depths of credit, we talk about understanding money and the economics of money, the cost of money, interest rates, how to get funding, which then ultimately you need all of that just to learn how to successfully complete your first transaction in taking down your first real estate deal. But let's go back and address the original purpose to this question. No, you should not wait, because inside the REI 90 Academy portal, we also have my 30-day DIY credit repair challenge. One of the most successful DIY credit repair programs that's been on the internet. Is an in-depth 30 days of just nothing but strategy, letters, understanding the process of repairing and restoring your credit. We've literally had people who've come in and went through that DIY process with 400s going to 700s, people who've been able to get collections removed, charge-offs removed, bankruptcies removed, understanding some of the credit laws, but more importantly, giving them the information that they need, or I'm going to say the edge that they need. So in the future, if they ever come across another issue or scenario where their credit, has a blemish, they'll already be proactive enough to know what to do and to be able to take care of it. So no, you should not wait to get your credit repaired. You want to join the REI 90 Academy, get started today so you can start positioning yourself by laying that groundwork and that foundation and learning everything you can learn about putting your credit in position. Plus, on top of that, if your credit isn't in position, you're going to also get access to information and learning how to leverage credit partners. So you don't necessarily have to wait for your credit to be in position to become an effective and a successful real estate investor. We also talk about leveraging credit partners, but you won't know how to do any of that until you get started and join the REI 90 Academy today.